feel like I'm in Oregon. Oh man, that was nuts.
Is that so sketchy?
Yeah. Especially when you can't see ahead.
Yeah,
I just had to follow your line. I got whipped by that tree branch so hard.
One at the top?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, I did not see that one coming until it was too late. Okay, wait, whoa, let's go.
This is like one of the prettiest views.
Yeah. So, step one, you're gonna eat a whole ring around this apple. Might take me a minute though.
Dude, you gotta get fruit roll up, wrap it around the apple. It's the best.
Yeah? You gotta eat the bottom.
Aren't the seeds like poisonous?
In large quantities. If you do like this, you can see them. And you can spit them out.
Oh yeah, rollerblader.